rolling, it's getting into your blood. And neither never stops growing. She's a poisonous one. I hope for better days, but nothing seems to fix it. Oh, now you're wasting away. Indeed, a desperate religion in all that she will say.
Tell the camera, Daniel, what happened?
My nuts landed on the seat. Oh, that hurt.
That was pretty good.
Woo.
You didn't lose it completely.
No, which I'm quite surprised at. I thought I was coming off then. Oh my god.
It's nice.
Oh my god. Oh. Give me a minute.
Yeah, right. It was good. It was a good run. You were doing well.
What was it? The jump that I fucked it on, I cleared that perfectly.
Yeah.
I didn't case it at all.
It was good.
I just lost my footing. That's why I came off. I just lost my footing.
Yeah.
That's why I need new pedals. My feet slipped off and I was leaning back, so nuts straight on the back of the seat.
Yeah, that's a problem.
I actually sat on the wheel for a second there.
Well,
oh my god.
Well, do you want to help back to the skills part?
We'll finish the run.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm fine to finish the run.
Well, when you're ready.